Hey, what's up, students? Let's do the square straw. Use the given information about the volume of a rectangular prism, a box, to answer the questions. The volume is this many, the length is this many, the width is this many. We got to find the height. We do not know the height. Question mark right there. All right, we got to find that bad boy. Fill in the blanks to the formula length times width times height equals volume. So all we have to do, students, is we need to drop in these three numbers into the volume formula, and then we're going to simplify some of it to make a one-step equation, and then we're going to solve that one-step equation. So let's take it one step at a time. So length is first, and length is 1/2, so we're going to drop a 1/2 right in there. The width is 4/7, so we're going to drop a 4/7. Remember, when you type out in fractions, number/number, and then the height is not the height. The height is unknown, so that's why it's our variable. So as you can see, we have it in there, then we finally solve for it right there at the end. The volume is 20/119. Yes, I'm writing outside of the space, but that's okay. Schoology will take care of it for you when you do your answers. All right, so let's see here. Fill in this. Yep, done. Simplify the length times the width. So we've got to simplify this part of it to make a one-step equation. So this needs to become one number. So let's simplify that really quick. I'm going to write out the whole thing if I was going to make this on paper without dumping it into Schoology blanks. Length times width times height equals 20/119. What a great denominator that is. All right, so we got to simplify this part of it right here. Multiply straight across. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 7 is a 14. Simplify. Always simplify your fractions. So 4/14 is going to reduce to a 2/7. I could have done that in my division. Well, I guess in my multiplication, I could have canceled this 2 and made you a 2, but the same thing. So either you can multiply and simplify, or you can simplify as you multiply. It's up to you. All right, so let's upgrade my equation. My new equation is going to be 2/7 h equals 20/119. All right, so there's my answer right here. So as you can see, this part didn't change at all. So this is still going to be a 20/119. 2/7 is going to be my upgraded fraction in the one-step equation I made. So I took the formula, dumped in all the values, upgraded these two pieces to make one piece. So now I have a one-step equation. So I got to solve 2/7 h equals 20/119, and to get rid of a fraction, you multiply both sides by the reciprocal. So let's multiply both sides by 7/2. I've already calculated this. There's a couple of things I could do to make it easier for myself. Again, you can simplify before you multiply. I can cancel this, make it a 1, and then I could make you a 1 as well. Actually, it looks better if I just make it a 10. There we go. It's going to look weird. 1/20. What? Oh, a 10. Okay. Yeah, divide by 2, divide by 2. I think 119 and 7 have a number in common. I think it's 7. I've done the calculation on another window, so take a look here. Oh, shoot, I already reduced it. Son of a gun. I can do this. I can retype this really quick. So 20/119. A little behind the scenes work here, friends. And I took it times 7/2. That's right. Yeah, the reciprocal of 2/7 would be 7/2. There it is. So there's my answer. Again, typing in fractions in an online calculator or any calculator makes things go very, very smoothly, especially when they have a fraction button. All right. So anyway, when I take 20/119 times 7/2, I get 10/17. That's my answer. So again, yeah, I'm pretty sure 119 and 7 have something in common. I don't know, my facts past 10 don't really get too good. So let's see here. What was I going to say? Oh yeah, so this cancels. H is going to equal, calculator said, 10/17. So I dump the 10/17 right in that blank. Again, reduce all fractions when possible. If it's not possible, then write them as you see them. All right, students, that is the square straw. Dump in the values, simplify one step, and then everybody wins when they find the volume of this rectangular prism, also known as a box. See you in class.